Look at all the chrome. We're going in. Brown leather. Very, very nice. Let's climb in. Oh, man. Jeez. Let's close. This is it. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. Jeez. Look at you. Case unofficial. Back. Truck World 2026. Absolutely gorgeous Ken T880 Kenworth. Lovely truck. Lovely, lovely truck. Wow. Absolutely lovely. Look at all the chrome. We're going in. Brown leather. Very, very nice. Let's climb in. Oh, man. Jeez. Let's close the doors. Let's lock in the sound. Oh, my goodness. This is lovely. Oh, wow. It's just a 10-speed. What? It's a 10-speed. Are you kidding me? It is a 10-speed. Very nice truck. Very nice. My trucking partner right over there. Oh my God. Kenworth T880. Very nice. Let's see the back. This is where the magic happens. Beautiful thick mattress. Much more comfortable than the one I have in my room. Very, very nice. Nice storage. Absolutely brilliant. You know what? If I took this type of truck on the highway, I think I'd be a happier man. This is nice. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Lots of storage space. Nicely laid out fridge. We're gonna get back in the pilot seat very shortly. Just hang tight. We're gonna get back in there, but just enjoying the whole ambiance. Let's sit on this bed. Let's really feel this bed. Ooh. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Nice, beautiful stitching, soft plush feel. Very nice. I can spend a lot of time in here. I promise you. I can go over the road. I'll go to Chicago, Texas, Florida, you name it. Wow. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Wow. Kenworth T880, 10-speed, manual. No splitter, just a selector. Very nice. Brilliant. Everybody keeps opening the doors and coming in, but we're not done yet. You'll get your chance. Wow. Brand new truck. Unit in CB radio. Very, very nice. Absolutely brilliant. More storage up here. More storage over here. I miss my Volvo. I had a beautiful Volvo. Oh. There's our curtains. Captain's chair. Co-captain's chair. Very nice. Case unofficial. 2026 Truck World. Give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel. If you love trucking, share. I love you all. See you on the next video at this segment. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving.